president of Scoreboard Enterprises. Well, in my first life, I was a high school mathematics teacher from 1969 to 1981. Somewhere along the way, around 1971, the principal, who recognized that I could fix things, asked me if I could fix the scoreboard in the gym at Oliver Ames High School in Easton. And upon fixing it, getting off the ladder, the athletic director said to me, "Why don't you do that? Nobody else does it." It blossomed and it got bigger. And by 1981, I was doing Boston Garden. 1987, I was doing Fenway Park. From that point on, we started to sell scoreboards and install scoreboards. So it was a whole different facet of what I'd been doing prior to that, because it was all repair. And that blossomed as well. And as that grew, so did the staff, and so did the requirement for having space. There were 9 of us at the present time. So in 1985, I bought this property and renovated it and added on to it in 1990, I believe. I've been working with Morse Insurance for 25 years or more. As the business has grown, our needs for insurance have grown as well. And Dan has been both an advisor to us, in terms of what we need to have, and also on an annual basis reviewing what we have for insurance and putting it out to different insurance companies to see what we can get for our money. And that's a very important part of trying to maintain the budget that we have. To always get good service, never a question, always taken care of in a timely manner.
Scoreboard Enterprises was a client of ours basically from the get-go. We've gone through all the changes and all the growth that Scoreboard has had. Chuck Curley is just a tremendous business owner, community guy, and a friend. And that team does just a tremendous job taking care of the scoreboard needs of everyone.
Well, we have the liability insurance for workman's comp. We have all of the vehicles here, our own personal vehicles as far as that's concerned. I have a boat as well, a small boat that's insured by Morse Insurance. And all the construction equipment you see here, the buildings, my own personal home, and some of the other things that we have. Having that ability to deal with one person and always know who I'm going to speak to or who's going to address it, how it's going to be addressed. I know who I'm dealing with, and I think that's the best part of the relationship. And I'm a loyal person. I tend to stay with someone as long as they are taking care of me. I want to make sure that I take care of them. The guys are pretty careful about what they do. Safety comes first. We take our time and make sure that what's going to happen happens the right way. It's been a very pleasant experience with Morse Insurance. The one thing you worry about with insurance is you want to make sure you have it, and you don't want to need it. You don't want to have to use it. But I always feel comfortable, based on only a couple of situations that we've had over the years, that I'm always going to get taken care of, and that I'm going to be considered first. Well, we wouldn't go anywhere else, and the phrase is Morse, of course. I would recommend Morse Insurance to anyone, my friends and my family.